Let me show you how easy it is to install these solar lights. So first of all, you're going to take the sticker off the top, then you're going to remove the light bulb, and then you're going to flip the switch to the on position. Then you're going to take the stake and you're going to plug it into the bottom. Now, I wanted to make sure it was in there really good and tight. Then all you have to do is find your spot. I'm using this retaining wall in our backyard to light up the other wall. You see how easy it was to put that in? And then look at the finished product. Doesn't it look great? I spaced them about 4 feet apart and it looks fantastic. Now here comes the best part. Look how amazing it is at night. They light up so well. It's perfect. All the lights came on and they stayed on all night long. Very impressive product. I highly recommend them.